Hello everybody, and in this video today I'm going to be teaching you two more CSS animation properties, and those properties will be animation duration and animation iteration count. So animation iteration, this property allows us to set the duration of our animation to be as long as we want it to. So our animation right now is being set to 1.4 seconds, and once the animation is over, it's just going to look at this right here, and whatever value we passed it, that's what it's going to run. So I gave it infinite, so it's going to run infinitely. If I set it to like 3, now if we refresh, it's going to go for 3 rotations, and then it should stop after that. See? It stopped. So you can give it a numeric value, or you can just do infinite, which will just make it go on forever. And animation duration, it accepts either seconds or milliseconds. So if you do 1.4 seconds, that's really the same thing as saying 1400 ms, which is milliseconds. So that does the same thing, so it doesn't really change anything. If we want to make this longer, we can do that, and now it's spinning 10 times slower than it was before, because this is technically 14 seconds, since if we divide this by 1000 we should get 14 seconds. And this is how animation duration and animation iteration count works. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or any questions, let me know in the comments below and I'll get to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.